Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a mouth-watering Parmesan chicken dish. It's super easy and incredibly delicious. Let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, grab a baking dish and coat it with some olive oil. This will prevent the chicken from sticking. Now, it's time to prepare the coating for our chicken. In a bowl, mix together some breadcrumbs, grated Parmesan cheese, dried oregano, garlic powder, and a pinch of salt and black pepper. Take a chicken breast and dip it into beaten eggs, making sure to coat it evenly. Then, place the chicken into the breadcrumb mixture and press it down firmly to adhere the coating. Repeat this process for the remaining chicken breasts. Now, carefully place the coated chicken breasts into the baking dish. Drizzle a little olive oil on top of each piece for that extra crispiness. Pop the dish into the preheated oven and bake for around 25–30 minutes, or until the chicken is golden brown and cooked through. While the chicken is baking, you can prepare a simple side salad or cook your favorite vegetables to go along with it. Once the chicken is done, take it out of the oven and let it rest for a few minutes. This will ensure that the juices redistribute, making it even more tender and delicious. And there you have it, a crispy Parmesan chicken dish that's easy to make and bursting with flavor. It's perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or for impressing friends and family at a gathering. Yum! Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious ideas. Happy cooking!